Okay guys, so I'm going to show you how to make a batter for frying your fish. Now generally persons use beer to make what is called a beer batter, but because I am gluten free I cannot use beer. So what we're going to use, instead of using beer, we're going to use Perrier water, which is a mineral water that is carbonated. So to make our batter, we're going to use a half cup of our 1-to-1 baking flour blend, gluten free. We're going to use a half cup of cornstarch. We're going to use 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And we're going to mix all of that in the bowl here in order to make our batter. So let's get to putting everything together. So there you have it folks, our batter for our fish. Okay guys, so now that our batter is prepared for our fish, what we're going to do now is season our fish lightly with some salt, some sea salt. So we season one side, some salt, we're going to put some black pepper as well. Alright, and now we're going to flip it over and we're going to season the other side. Okay, so here we have our fish seasoned on both sides. So we're just going to leave this to rest for a bit, and then we'll be ready to dip it into our batter, and then we're going to fry our fish. Okay guys, so there you have it, our fish fried in our batter. So once again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.